Pectin.
What was that one thing you did? Hey, can I join? Yeah. Do that face.
We need some sugar because the other thing we know about cranberries is they're really hard. A lot of antioxidants, great nutrition, but like really makes your mouth pucker. So we're putting in sugar. I doubled my recipe, so I've got quite a bit there. I'm doubling the salt. Maybe a quarter teaspoon. I'm going to eyeball that. Salt. Okay, next thing is green pepper. I bought 2 different kinds of peppers. Come on, guys, I've asked for your attention. So all I can do is ask, and then you try and be respectful. What kind is this one? That's right, it's just a green bell pepper. Do you know what this one is? They're usually a little better.
Jalapeno.
Nope. This is a jalapeno.
No, I don't even know why. It's a poblano.
Poblano. Very good.
This teacher
mean.
Alex's face is like, what the fuck?
And these are readily available at Fairway and Hy-Vee. This one makes you burp because it has high acid content. No heat at all. It's a 0 on the chart. 0.
Doesn't make you poop?
This one's a poblano, and it has, I don't know what its number is, 1, 1.5. It's just warm. It doesn't have heat. It's just warm, which is actually kind of nicer because the warmth isn't an acid experience like the bell pepper. It's just a nice warm kind of almost a woody experience in your mouth. And this is a jalapeno. This is not very high on the hotness chart, but it's got a little get go, especially if it comes out of your own yard, like it's really fresh. This was picked a long time ago. It's later run out and it's losing its video go. But you'll notice it in the recipe. It has some nice warmth. Okay, you might remember when we did salsa the very first day we were together. I told you that the hotness of a chili or a pepper is in the ribbing inside. So, if you remove any excess uncomfortable warmth, all you have to do is get rid of the ribbing and the seed.
That's our teacher. She doesn't like it.
Okay?
She doesn't like us.
Do we want it a little bit warm? Should I leave some jalapeno seeds?
Yeah. Goodness.
Do we want it pretty good and I should leave the whole thing?
No.
Yeah?
Goofy. Do you want jalapeno
Seeds
seeds?
and all, right?
Yep.
Goofy,
Can I have jalapeno seeds? Look at it. Everyone's. What? I don't have a southern accent. Jalapeno. I meant to. You say jalapeno. It's an accent. Jalapeno. Jalapeno.
She just said you have an accent. You said,
Oh my
I have an
God.
accent. And then you talk about, oh, it's an accent.
No, that was Jasmine. That was Jasmine. Who said that? I'm so confused. I'm so confused. What is going on? The class is making fun of us. I'm drinking cranberry juice because I can't pee. You're supposed to take that when you have like the UTI. I can't pee. No, I can't pee because I feel like I have a pee all the time. You know this is not going on YouTube, so if they hear you. Just cut out that part. It's an iPhone 5. You can't cut out certain parts. That does not mean I'm nasty. It just means I can't pee. She's just kidding, guys, if you heard that. It's just because I can't pee. That's normal. People go through that. Hi, guys. Hey. My eyebrows look cool. Yeah. Oh. See this video? I hit her. The other video, I was like, boom. And she's like, oh, that one's cute. I like that one. That's cute. I mean, they're no fun, man. Who? Well, oh, me? Shh. We're the crazy meatballs. That's Michelle. Wait, go back. There's something weird in my tongue. What the fuck is that? don't go on. My tongue looks really wet.
I think you might remember me saying the seeds are
Okay,
not
cross-side.
bitter or anything, so they work really well.
Okay, cross-side.
Put it all up. This is a great big pile of stems here.
I can't do it that long. It hurts. Yeah. Well, we gotta get back to class. We love you. I gotta see your YouTube channel, because... Bye, guys. Bye.